In this lesson, we will learn how to destructure objects. First, we declare 3 variables. Variable names should be the same as property names. Like we said before, destructuring assignment is all about matching patterns. We are destructuring an object this time, so we need to put variables inside a set of curly brackets. We got an error message. To solve the problem, we need to wrap the entire expression using a set of parentheses. Now the error message is gone. We can see all 3 variables have received the corresponding property values. When we are destructuring an object, the variable order does not matter. Let's switch the first and last variable and see what happens. We can see the result is the same as before. This is because, unlike arrays, objects differentiate values based on their property names. Their order does not matter. We only need to make sure variable names are the same as property names. We can merge the declaration and value assignment part into one line of code. This way we can skip the parentheses. We can see the result is the same as before. The number of variables does not have to be the same as the number of properties. We can only declare what we need. We can also set default variable values. Sometimes we might want to name the variable differently than the property. What should we do? Inside the left object, we set a key value pair. The key must be the same as the property name. The value is set by us and will be used as variable name. Pay attention here. The key is only used as an identifier. It will not be declared as a variable. Even if we declare the key as a variable, it still won't receive any value. Next, let's take a look at a more complicated scenario, nested objects. We create an object, info. Inside it, we set 2 properties, name and address. The value of address is an object with 3 properties, city, street, and number. Let's destructure this object. Address is used as key here, so it won't be declared as a variable. Let's test the program. We can see name, city, street, and number have all been declared and received the correct value. Address, however, is used as key, so it won't be declared. Next, let's take a look at the real-life application of object destructuring. We got a negative number and we want to turn it into a positive one. The ABS method from the math constructor can help us do this. But every time we use the ABS method, we need to prefix it with math. This is not very convenient. Using object destructuring, we can retrieve and assign the ABS method to the ABS variable. Next time we need the ABS method, we won't need to prefix it with the math method. If you want, you can also give the ABS method a new name.